Welcome to the Ocean and Sintra Electric Towel Rail Pairing tutorial. Please note that this tutorial is only valid for the models displayed on the screen. We start by opening the Rointe Connect app, which we should have previously downloaded from the App Store or Google Play. Select the area where you want to add your towel rail. Tap New Product and select Sintra Towel Rail. Now, it's time to activate pairing mode. To do so, press and hold the power and max buttons for 5 seconds. The device will restart. Once it restarts, the temperature LEDs will display a combination to indicate the network name. This, along with the flashing max button, will confirm that the device is in pairing mode. In the Scan section, select I can't find my product. The app will prompt you to connect your device to the Wi-Fi network. If the displayed network is the one you want to use, confirm the connection. Otherwise, you can change it by accessing your device's network settings. Select only 2.4 GHz networks, as these products are not compatible with 5 GHz networks. Enter your Wi-Fi network password. Make sure you enter it correctly to ensure a successful pairing and avoid configuration issues. Now, connect your mobile device to the Wi-Fi network displayed by your towel rail. To do this, go to Settings and select the new network. You can identify it using the LEDs combination on the towel rail. A lit LED represents the number 1, and an unlit LED represents the number 0. With this information, you can recognize the corresponding Wi-Fi network. Return to the app and press Ready, I'm connected. This LEDs combination will indicate that the product is connecting. If your device does not pair or displays a configuration error message, don't worry. Wait at least 30 seconds for the setup to complete, then press Check Product Configuration. Once finished, the product will emit a beep sound, confirming the successful pairing. All set. You can now control your towel rail through the Rointe Connect app.